Hello, this is Anil with a video tutorial for the Learning Lad on C programming. In this video tutorial, we're going to see this increment and decrement operators in detail. So these operators are also called as the shorthand operators. When we use these operators as a suffix, its meaning is different, and when we use these operators as prefix, the meaning is different. So let's see how. So first we're gonna create a variable called x, and I'm gonna assign it to a value of 10. Then I want to print this value using the printf, and I say x value is %d, add a new line, then reference this x variable, save it, compile it and run it. So as you can see, as expected, this x value is 10 now. So now what we want to do is we want to increment this. For that purpose we can write x equal to x plus 1, but I know that I can use this shorthand operator, so I write x plus plus. So I can do it right here. So I'm gonna write x plus plus, which means that x equal to x plus 1. So save it, compile it and print it. So what we expected was this x value to become 11, but it is still 10. Okay, let's see why. Let's add another printf statement here. Then I'm gonna write x value again is %d, add a new line, then we're gonna reference this x value. This time we're not gonna increment or decrement it. Save it, compile it and run it. Okay, as expected, in the second line this value became 11, but we expected that this value became 11 in the first line, but that didn't happen. That's because when we use this increment or decrement operator as a suffix, the compiler assigns this x value to this statement first, and when it leaves this statement, that time it will increment this. So when this printf encounter, it prints x value is then the actual value of x. It is 10 here. It just printed that. Then when leaving this statement, or after the execution of this statement, it just made this incrementation. So when the control comes out of this printf statement, this x value becomes 11. That's why we are getting this x value again 11. So same thing to for the decrement operator also. So we can write x minus minus. So in this case also, this x value will be 10 here, and it will become 9 in the second printf statement. Compile it and run it. So it is just as explained. So another thing is, if we use this increment or decrement operator as a prefix, then the meaning will be different. So Control F9 and Control F10. This one is as expected before. The incrementation is done first, then that value is assigned to our printf statement. So x value is 11 in the first statement only, and in the second statement also this x value is 11, because in the second statement we haven't done any incrementation or decrementation. You can say that when this printf statement is executed, x value will be first incremented and then it is printed here. For decrementation operator also same thing. Just make it minus minus x, compile it and run it. That value decremented first and then it just printed out. So we can use this increment and decrement operator or this shorthand operators in our loops a lot of times. So it makes us to read our code better and save some time in typing. So this is it. This is about the shorthand operators in C. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial.